Hello, this is JP with Paladin Games coming at you with some Third Age Total War. This is a 2v2 battle. Over on this side we have JKL playing as Harad. He's got Trollmen of Harad, Mahad Beast Hunters, Southron Archers, I believe 2 units of Southron Archers, yep. As well as some Demons of the Desert, Champions of Nafarat, Southron Pikemen, 2 units of them, 1 Black Serpents, Heavy Cav, and 2 Mahad Beastmasters, as well as he's bringing the Mumakil, who he's positioned on the other side of the river, across from my ally. He has 1 unit of Mumakil and 1 unit of War Beasts of Harad. Now, on the opposing side, and my ally in this battle, are the Elves of Lothlorien. So, he has 2 units of Lothlorien archers, 1 unit, or 1 catapult unit. He has 1 unit of Lothlorien axemen, 1 unit of Lothlorien swordmasters. Or 2 units of Lothlorien axemen, 3 units of Lothlorien axemen, 2 units of Lothlorien spearmen, Kindred of Celeborn. Let's see, Galadrim Blade Masters, I believe he's got 2 units of them. Another unit of Karas Galadhan Guardians. 1 unit of Lothlorien Swordmasters, and Watchers of the Golden Wood. I believe he has cap of some kind, let's see. Yep, he's got 1 unit of Lothlorien Mounted Company. And I do believe that's his entire army. So he's positioned up on the hill, other side of Harad. Let me make sure he doesn't have anything. Nope. Today I am bringing the Numenorians. I have 3 units of Belgar footmen, 2 units of Belgar archers here and here. We got Numenorian cohort, I believe 3 units of them. 1 unit of Farzim swordmasters. 4 units of Numenorian cohort. And 2 units of Numenorian steel bows, a trebuchet, then Farzim nobles, as well as 2 Numenorian vanguard. There's my other. And Adonai shadow bows. Across from me, played by Fire Captain Lace McBurney, we have Cardolan bringing, looks like 4 units of men-at-arms, Tharbad Warhammers, Dunedain Captains, I believe he's got 2 units of Dunedain Captains, Wardens of Tirn Gurthad, several units of Cav. He's got Dunedain Commanders, Tharbad Riders, and Royal Courthouse of Thorondor, as well as Mahirath Sharpshooters, 2 units of them, and he's got to probably have Dunedain Rangers of some kind. He's got Mahirath Archers, so 3 units of Archers, 4 units? Yep, 4 units of Archers, 3 units of Cav. So let's jump in and get started here. This battle was kind of spread out. Obviously, Harad and I both positioned our forces kind of far apart. I was trying to guard the bank over here with my spearmen. I believe Harad's coming in to try to get me here. But my ally comes in with his catapult. So I sent my cav over here to kind of scare him away. Look at those boys. Not very accurate shots, but you know, if it works, it works. So JKL's moving up his Hashari shadow bows. They're taking some pot shots at me.
We're under attack.
I believe the archers at here might be firing. They might be too far. Yeah, it looks like they're too far out. There's my trebuchet going. Rats kind of come over here. I think they were trying to pull into the city originally. Oof. Here's Cardolan moving up some men at arms to attack that spear line. Definitely some guys getting killed. Oh, he's got the warhammers too. Never mind, he's sending his Dunedain captains to attack this position. And there they go, charging in there. Ooh, there's the head with the arc. Just missed that. See how many we get. Oh, we got a few, They don't drop like flies in this game, or in this mod. Oh, bam, there goes another. I think that was a hard miss. Over here, I got some Belgar spearmen going up against Hashari. Really just small engagements right now. I believe my allies engaged with their cav over here. Yep. He's got War Beast of Harad going up against the Mounted Company, which might be his general too. I don't know. Here comes some of my boys coming in. Things are kind of starting to heat up between me and Harad. Oh, and Cardolan's broken through here. Right now I have more troops going into the fray. This Numenorian cohort. And very bad killing zone for me, but I was trying to get across. It's a very spread out battle at this point. My cav coming in to try to save these archers. My spear line's still holding on here. Ooh, that's gonna be rough on his cav. So we are everywhere with this battle. I'm defending this crossing over here. And right now at this point I'm kind of engaged with two armies. I don't think my ally has moved down yet. So I'm kind of in a bad spot. Looks like the Dunedain captains are getting a better hand over here. You got one spearman unit that routed. I'm kind of getting the upper hand over here, but they got more troops coming in. More Hashari joining the fray. I think my trebuchet at this point had ran out of ammo, so I just kind of pushed him up here. I might have been pushing him up to try to get a better hit. And some of my archers were out of ammo, so I sent them into the fray. Oh, it is firing. Yeah, I think we only got dead cows though. Menhiriath archers firing now into my men. And here's some elves coming in. So at this point in the battle, I kind of had to reposition my force because I thought, Cardolan might come up this way. My and there's my elven allies coming down the hill, slowly but surely. They're coming to help. But because right now, I mean, I'm fighting 2 armies. I got 1 river crossing, ton of archers over here, just peppering away at my guys. I believe they're out of ammo, so they're coming in for the kill. I think I tried to send them up against these archers
We've lost
over
half
here.
of our men.
Oh, there goes a guy. And they just run away. Dang archers. I don't know if it was lag or something, but I did pull back around here to try to finish these guys, which was kind of sad. You got these 2 guys taking on an entire Southron pikeman formation. Now these guys might be out of ammo going for a big charge, looks like. Or maybe they're just getting closer. Looks like they're just getting closer. My guys are kind of pulling back here. Oh boy. Got a cat battle going on in the back. All the stuff you miss when you're actually fighting a battle. Oof. Gonna be a pretty nasty charge into those elves. Woo! Looks like the elves are shooting at Cardolan there, trying to get some kills. They got some range. Now we're getting some elven archers into the fray.
We're under attack.
And Cardolan's pulling their archers back. Look at all the death here. So many Numenorians. So many people of Harad just lying dead on the field of battle. So I think at this point Cardolan's kind of pulled back. And we're both sitting here, hoping for the other one to make the first strike. So we'll go up to 2 speed here and up, send my cab in, try to get some of them archers, but of course they're pulling back. Look at that, just swarming over that cav. It was like the charge of the light brigade. Not a very good charge on my part. First charge of men and elves together.
We're under attack!
Yeah, at this point, this river crossing is getting pretty bloody. No, sorry. But definitely the opposing side of Harad and Cardolan at this point are more spread out, while myself and the elves are more concentrated. Oh, there we go. Ooh, bam. Very nice combo of arrows and catapult there. The elves are just raking these guys. Ooh. Wow. That's some nice art. Oh, that would be terrifying. That the archer unit is just getting destroyed. And we are kind of pushing through here a little bit, but they're still holding us back. Oh man. Yeah, these guys are running. They've had enough. They're like, nope. Oh, they're going for the Harad archers in the back here. Now we're kind of pushing in more of our troops, trying to break this line. Lothlorien pikemen coming in to plug some gaps. Oh, it looks like we got a small battle going on over here. Cardolan tried to come across on this side, but the elves met him. It's civilians. I did not see these guys before, so it looks like he had two units of civilians going up against the Lothlorien axemen. He's got 2 units of Lothlorien spearmen in the back here. Or the one thing that the civilians got going for them is they have archer support, whereas the elves don't. Still, they're getting cut down pretty hastily here. Both sides are getting more and more committed over here. Though it's mostly Harad holding us off on this end. Looks like they're moving out their catapult. I don't know what for. This is just becoming a bloody river crossing. Got my steel bows going into the fray now. Ooh. I got 3 of them. Just love how they casually walk back in formation there. That's great. Some elves breaking through on this side. But there's still plenty of Cardolan heads that can stop them. Here come the elves. Oh, lumbermen. I guess these guys were just hidden up there. I didn't see these dudes. He's closing the gap on the axeman. I don't think my ally has seen him yet. I think the, yep, Simon the Sixth has not seen them. Oh, that cat just got assassinated. I guess his general wasn't there, though. He sees them, he charges in with his spearmen. Those guys will probably carve him up pretty good. Another shot with artillery, I think on his horse that time.
The enemy are badly bloodied. They have lost half their men.
Which I think that's Harad that has lost half their men at this point. Ooh. Not a bad hit with the art there. Bam. Oh, they're throwing their javelins in there. At this point, this is just a chaotic battle. And I think it was only my team that brought artillery to the fight. These Lothlorien axemen, they're getting cut down. C-34 defeat seems certain. Victory, okay, yeah. Defeat seems certain. Oh, looks like we had a victory here. Yeah, he's got 2 units trapped over there still, but that side of the battle is pretty much over. And Cardolan's reforming to attack from the other side. While Harad is holding the thin red line here. I think at this part of the battle, all I have is my 2 cav units. Pretty much all my infantry are engaged, trying to help the elves break through. But they're dropping like flies over here. So we'll speed this up now. Just look at this carnage as the elves fight against Harad, trying to pick him off. Yeah, at this point I kind of told the elven player, we gotta pull back. All I have is calves. We need to set up defensively. I guess he kind of thought, he'd go in here and try to hold this position. Because Harad is going to break through eventually. It's only a matter of time. We got 1 unit of Farzim sword match. So we got 1 unit of heavy infantry, supported by elven archers at this point with no ammo, just holding out against all these pikemen and guys. So it's not looking good for the Numenor Lothlorien alliance. We'll go to times 2 speed here. So you can see my cab moving up here. I'm trying to get into position where I can at least nail some of them. Or I will be here in a bit. Just trying to sneak behind their lines and take some of them out. Oh, you just gotta love that. Man, the elves really take people out.
We're under attack!
So again, you know, armies are repositioning, moving, you know, trying to get some type of edge if they can. So here comes Cardolan. Oh, and there's the Muma kill. They're back in the fight. And really, yes, left in the beginning, we haven't seen him
Defeat
all
seems
game.
almost certain.
Oh boy, here we go. So I'm trying to support him with my cav as best I can. There's a nice hit there. One Muma kill went down. Oh, another one's down. Oh man, that poor spear unit.
Our general lies slain upon the battlefield.
There it is, my general caught by some pikes. Yeah, I believe at this point the only unit I have is Farzim nobles. I'm breaking away from the fight there. The elves now fighting a two-front battle at this crossing. Yeah, go in with the charge.
Only half the enemy force remains.
The elves are just getting surrounded here. This one unit of spearmen fighting the hordes of Harad right behind a Muma kill. So we only got it by like 3 people at Cav. Hey, Cardolan and Harad just, cutting those elves. Well, the elves are holding on. But yeah, at this point in the battle, it's pretty clear who's going to win. Still, the tankiness of the elves is pretty incredible in this case. It's 2 speed.
Our ally lies dead, slain by the enemy. We must help
There
his men
goes the
avenge
enemy
him.
or the allied general. There's my cat being sneaky in the back. Well, those lumbermen, they're good at hiding there.
Our men are fleeing the battle. Rally them!
There's no rallying those boys. So it's all up to the Guardians. Look at those elves just holding back the lines. Trollmen of Harad, men of Cardolan. And look how bloody they are. They're fighting hard.
Our army is tiring.
I think we're going to take this up a speed. Just look at all those people. How many got left? Looks like 2 guys. Let's see. 4 guys.
We've been beaten by our foe.
Alright, and that's the battle, folks. Fire Captain Les McBurney and JKL. You know, pretty good battle overall, stat-wise. I mean, we were both pretty close. I think my ally definitely killed more. Um, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. To all the people who are watching Mondays with Morrowind, sorry I didn't get to post this week, but I will be posting next week. Stuff's been crazy here with the winter weather. So you all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.